Today's Friday. We're still battling the coronavirus and all that stuff, and things are starting. Supplies are hard to get. What I'm going to show you here is what you can do. Is mix soap and water, mix it up in a small bottle like that, and this, when you're driving to each store and you have to dispose, because we don't have a lot of gloves and you end up disposing them because you don't want it. Well, the soap will work well because you'll be able to scrub your hands with it, and then maybe have a towel in the car, and you can get back in your car, right, and get back on the steering, because you have soap and water. It's not going to hurt your car inside, and you can go to the next store instead of disposing the gloves. Now I think you can get about 3 to 4 uses out of it in a day if you're out and about, which you shouldn't, but if you are and you don't have that many gloves, this is just a way of protecting yourself and reusing the gloves. Okay, so pretty much water, good soap, dishwashing soap. You do the mix. We have the suds here with already mixed. Now another thing that you can do is use this, because they say even in your shoes you can bring the virus, and a lot of people is not aware of that, and you track it into your house. So right now what you can do is, I have down here already a gallon pre-mixed, and we've been using it. And pretty much you take your shoes before you go inside the house and you squirt it like this, and normally you would take it out to the sun and let it dry, and that's a way of decontaminating your shoes, so that way you don't get it in the house. I hope this helps. Thank you very much.